If you've been turned down for life insurance, if you've been told you can't get covered because of your health, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to get life insurance with no medical exam, no health questions, and guaranteed approval, even if you have diabetes, heart disease, cancer history, or anything else. Stay with me. Let me start by saying something that I think needs to be said. If you've been declined for life insurance, it doesn't mean you're uninsurable. It might just mean you talked to the wrong company. Here's what happens. You see a commercial, you call the number, you answer the health questions, and they tell you no. Or worse, they put you in some overpriced plan without explaining your options. You feel embarrassed, you feel frustrated, and you give up. I guess I just can't get insurance, you think. But that's not true, and I'm going to prove it to you today. The insurance industry has over 800 carriers. Each one has different underwriting guidelines. What one company declines, another company accepts, sometimes at a better rate than you expected. And then there's guaranteed issue, the safety net of the insurance world. We'll get to that in a minute. But first, let me explain the landscape. Here's how final expense underwriting actually works. There are 3 levels, and understanding them is the key to getting the best deal. Level 1, Preferred Level Benefit. This is the gold standard. Full coverage from day 1, lowest rates. You qualify if you're generally healthy. Taking a blood pressure pill or cholesterol medication, that's fine. Most people on basic maintenance medications qualify for Preferred. Level 2, Modified On-Show Graded Benefit. This is for people with more significant health conditions. Maybe you have insulin-dependent diabetes, you've had a stroke in the past, or you have a serious heart condition. You'll pay more than Preferred, and the death benefit might be graded, meaning in the first 2 years, your family might get a partial benefit, plus a return of premiums. After 2 years, it's full coverage. Level 3, Guaranteed Issue. This is the one that surprises people. Guaranteed Issue means everyone is approved. 0 health questions. If you're between 45 and 85, ages vary by carrier, you're in. The trade-off, there's a 2-year waiting period for the full death benefit. If you pass away from natural causes in the first 2 years, your family gets back all premiums paid plus 10% interest, sometimes more, depending on the carrier. After 2 years, it's full coverage. Now here's the key. A good agent will always try to get you into the highest level possible because level 1 is cheaper than level 2 and level 2 is cheaper than level 3. You never want to be in guaranteed issue if you can qualify for something better. Now let me get specific, because I know you're watching this thinking, yeah, but what about my condition? Here's a general guide. Keep in mind that every carrier is different, which is why working with an independent broker matters. Typically preferred, high blood pressure, controlled, high cholesterol, controlled, anxiety or depression, stable on medication, arthritis, sleep apnea with CPAP, typically modified, standard, diabetes, type 2, insulin or non-insulin, COPD, mild to moderate. History of heart attack or stroke more than 12 months ago. Cancer in remission, usually 2+ years. Hepatitis C, treated. Guaranteed issue territory. Active cancer treatment, oxygen use, severe COPD, dialysis, hospice or nursing home, AIDS diagnosis, recent heart attack or stroke within 12 months. But here's the thing I can't stress enough. These are guidelines, not rules. I've gotten people approved at preferred rates that other agents would have put into guaranteed issue. It comes down to knowing the carrier's underwriting inside and out. That's not a brag. It's the reason independent brokers exist. Let's go deeper on guaranteed issue because I want to make sure you understand exactly how it works. Guaranteed issue gets a bad reputation. People hear waiting period and they think the whole thing is a scam. It's not. Let me break it down. How it works. You apply. No health questions. You're approved. Guaranteed. You start paying your monthly premium. For the first 2 years, if you pass away from natural causes, your family receives a return of all premiums paid, plus interest, usually 10%. If you pass away from an accident during those 2 years, the full death benefit is paid immediately. After 2 years, full coverage kicks in for any cause of death. Period. Why does the waiting period exist? Because the carrier is taking on risk without knowing your health. That's the trade-off for 0 health questions. It's actually fair when you think about it. Is it more expensive than preferred? Yes, but here's what I tell people. Expensive insurance is better than no insurance. A guaranteed issue policy at $120 a month is still infinitely better than your family facing $10,000 with nothing. That $120 a month is the plan. Without it, the plan is hope for the best, and that's not a plan. Top carriers for guaranteed issue: Gerber Life, Mutual of Omaha, AIG, Transamerica. All A-rated, all solid. Here's the bottom line. No matter your age, no matter your health, there is a plan out there for you. The question is finding the right one. And that's exactly what we do. When you click the link below or call the number on screen, here's what happens. Step 1. We have a quick, friendly conversation about your health and what you're looking for. We'll ask some questions, and we'll be upfront about why we're asking them. Step 2. We shop 6 top A-rated carriers, including Mutual of Omaha, Americo, and Nationwide, and find you the best option. If you qualify for preferred, we'll get you preferred. If you need guaranteed issue, we'll find the best GI plan available. Step 3. We present your options. No pressure. We'll explain exactly what each plan covers, what it costs, and what the trade-offs are. You decide. This is free. The quote is free. The phone call is free. The expertise is free. The only thing that costs money is the policy, and only if you decide it's right for you. If you've been turned down before, please don't give up. Call us. Let us see what we can do. We've helped people who thought they were completely uninsurable walk away with a great policy. Click the link. Call the number. Let's get you covered. And if this video gave you hope, share it with someone else who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more. Talk soon.